So I'm holding the bow, I draw my arrow, and I'm holding it halfway down because that's how I drew it out of the thigh quiver. Cigarette on the left hand. Keep my right hand on the arrow. Slide it back to the nock, and once I get there, I am holding the arrow like this, right? So my fingers are straight and I am not squeezing tight. So I'm holding the arrow about 1/3 of my finger's length. I'm not going up to the fletch. From here, I pull the arrow and the string, they meet. The arrow and the string come together and they stay that way forever. I slide it forward, making sure that as I go past the string, my thumb is on the one side and my other two fingers, index finger and middle finger, are on the other side. I keep pushing until the string touches my palm. I pull back underneath or above the nock. I'm still holding the arrow the same way. I'm still holding the arrow in my cigarette, in my left hand. From here, I can now either go to the Persian, index finger on, or I can go to my thumb draw, which is like I do. I release, and then as I draw, as I shoot, I'm drawing, exhaling, 3, 2, 1, release, and that's one move. Again, 1, I'm still holding the arrow, I don't have to adjust it on the bow yet. 2, I slide back, pointing my fingers right around the nock only. 3, I slide around the string. 4, onto the string. 5, take my position, release the left index finger, and shoot.